Hi guys, welcome to Apt-Get TV. Today I'm going to show you that how you will run or install all Windows application or exe files or install the Windows software in Linux operating system. Why I'm creating this video? Because many of my friends asked me in the comments section in almost every video that please create video on how to install the Windows software in any Linux operating system. So guys, before start, if you are new on my channel, make sure that you should subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the latest amazing videos. So guys, today for the demo purpose, I am going to use a Debian Linux based operating system, and many of my friends also facing issues on the RDB or VPS runtime. So soon guys, in the next video, I will provide you the best tip in the form of video where you can run all the RDB or VPS for 24/7. So stay tuned. So let's go to the practical side for installing the Windows software in Linux operating system guys. So guys, let's start now. For the demo purpose, I'm going to use the Kali Linux here in order to execute the commands. So first of all, what you need to do is open the terminal, and in the terminal you need to execute the first command that provide the root access. So basically we need a root account. So simply type the sudo su and enter your root password. So I have already created one video on Kali Linux, so make sure that you should watch before executing all of these commands if you want to use the Kali Linux here. So now what you need to do is execute the second command and simply right click here on your terminal and paste to the clipboard, hit enter. It's basically checking or adding the architecture, that is basically x32 or x64 bits. Now what we need to do is we need to execute the third command, that is a sudo apt-get update, that will update all of the directories or the libraries of the Kali Linux. So you have to wait here, it will take some time, and download the latest packages from the server. So after successfully updation of the packages of the Kali Linux, we need to perform the fourth command here, that is sudo apt-get install wine. So basically wine is an library or a package that will help us to run our Windows packages or a Windows application on our Linux operating system. So here guys, you can see they said that do you want to continue, so make sure that you should hit or enter Y here and hit enter, because they are going to install or download 380 MBs of files from the server. So make sure that you should enter Y here and wait for a moment. It's downloading all of the packages or the files from the server to your Linux operating system. So guys, you have to wait now. Now they have successfully downloaded from the server. Now they are going to decompile or depackaging all of the files of the wine and installing into operating system. So it will take some time. You can execute all of these commands on your own operating system. So you have a Ubuntu or whatsoever you have a Linux operating system. I have already created video on it, and you can get all of the RDB or the VPS servers. It's setting up all the libraries. Now guys, we have successfully executed the fourth step here. Now let me clear the screen here. Okay, great. Now what we need to do is we need to execute the next step, that is install the Wine 32-bit version. So simply copy the fifth command here and simply right click and paste to the clipboard, or simply type on your with the help of keyboard. So guys, you will see we have successfully installed the Wine32 here. Now let's check now. Wine dash dash version. Okay, great. We have successfully installed the Wine here. Now what we need to do is, now we are going to execute the sixth command, that is win configuration, in order to add the config file of the Wine. So simply type WINE and CFG here, hit enter. WINECFG, hit enter. You can configure your Wine according to your operating system. So wait for a moment, it's basically configuring all of your. Now you can see, you can obviously change the default setting as well, and you can change the Windows version as well according to your need. So I'm not going to change anything here. So now what we need to do is, we are going to install the Windows application or executable file. So go on your browser. Okay, and for the demo purpose I am going to install the Notepad++, that is basically a Windows operating system based version. You can download and install whatsoever window app you want. I'm going to install the Notepad++ installer. So guys, you will see it's basically a .exe file. So if I'm going to double click on it, it's not going to execute directly. So it's little bit difficult because it's not running. You can see it's not running on a directly. So what we need to do is, when I'm going to double click on it, it's not running, because we need to pass the path of that app to the Wine in order to execute the .exe file. In order to do this, we should know that what is the directory of that file is. So basically this file is located into the home/user/downloads folder, or the directory. So we need to change our directory in the terminal to that pointing directory, that is the downloads. So how we can do this? Simply open your terminal, and you can see currently we are in the home/user. So you can simply here enter ls. ls basically used to show the all of the directories inside that folder. So we want to go on a downloads. So in order to change directory, you can use a command cd and your desired directory folder name, enter. Now we are in the home/user/download folder. Guys, we can see our list of all files available in that downloads folder. Now you can see guys, we have a npp.8.2.installer.x64.executable file. Now in order to run that file or install that Notepad file here, what we need to do is, we need to write the name of that file or executable file along with the Wine. So enter Wine here and enter the name of that file, that is, I quickly enter the name of that file. You can simply copy that file name as well, and make sure that guys, you should enter the Wine first, and after that give a space and your desired executable file name, and you should be inside the directory of downloads. Hit enter. Now you can see guys, it's pop up the prompt here and installer language. Okay, next, I agree. Okay, that's great. Simply click on a next button. Now it's installing. You can see guys, Notepad++ is now installing. Yes, I want to run that Notepad++. Now guys, you will see we have successfully installed the Notepad++ in the Kali Linux based operating system. Now you can install whatsoever window application you want just like that, and make sure that You should follow each and every step here. Make sure that guys, you should subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the latest amazing videos. And make sure that if you like that video, please click on a thumbs up button here. And if you found any kind of problem, please comment below and try my level best to resolve all of your problems. Thank you so much guys.